with a personal trainer and watching myself. She looks fantastic.
Sit down.
We went out to lunch
Sit
yesterday.
down. Sit, I said. Well, put your nose in it.
What?
Oh, I'm clever.
You're not clever when you speak that way. You're not clever at all.
Who knows me better than me?
Me.
I say I'm clever. I'm clever.
All right. You're happy? So this is your sandwich with mayo. Jeff, could you take out the mustard and the
I
refrigerator?
did. It's right on the stove.
Here.
Next to you.
This is for my son.
Put it on the table. I'll do it myself.
Son.
I'll put it on myself.
So then do you want me to put your
I'll-
anything else on?
No, just
No? No? For you, I was going to do it, but if you want to do it yourself. First, I like to take the hard part of the lettuce. Like when you make collops and stuffed cabbage, you take that and you fill it with chutney, but this is not chutney. So this is for you, without me making it. There's your turkey, there's your tomatoes, whatever you like. That's dessert. Here is your mustard, and here are your breads, and here my zingala. Is your delicious sandwich. And here is a knife and a fork. Could you bring this over? I hope you're not doing pictures of me. You know I only like to be filmed. I'm not her. Or her, I'm not filmed. Okay.